these are the parts that I've ordered. CIT Vantage limited edition case. It's got the white one with the two fans on the side. I'll just show you that. There we go. And then this is the PSU that I've ordered. A 750 watt. The Asus P8 Z77-V motherboard, socket 115, 32GB compatible. I'm only putting 16 in though. Intel Sandy Bridge, i5 2500K quad core CPU. That's the bracket that I've just shown you, and a TP-Link 150 megabyte per second network card, and I've still got to buy that video card. It's a EVGA GeForce GTX 650 Ti 2GB super clocked edition, or I'm getting the MSI 650 Ti, but that's only 1 gig. That's the it's a Blu-ray combo player, so I think that's DVD, RW and Blu-ray. And then right, this is the SSD that I'm getting, but I'm getting the 240 gig version. And a Western Digital 2TB black edition 7200 RPM hard drive. Oh yeah, and last but not least, Corsair 16 gig 1600 megahertz 4x4 memory. So thank you for watching.